Hey everybody, welcome to my mess. Today I'm going to be making some simple storage boxes. I got these pine boards, they're really thin, they're about 1 centimeter thick. I'll also be attaching little wheels to them so that I can store them under my bed. These little offcuts, I just trimmed them to the length of the two planks together. I'm just going to attach them to hold this together. Spacing doesn't really matter, I'm just going for plus minus 10 centimeters from the edge. And then that one will go that side. Now I'm gonna just trim off the groove and the tongue on these two boards so that they can be flat so that I can attach the sides to them. I'll just run that through the table saw once on each side. I'm also going to trim the total length of it so that I can account for the 45-degree angles that come around this. Now that everything has been cut, so now I need to assemble the box. I'm going to be using the nail gun, the air gun, and corner clamps. That's the box done, and now it's time for wheels. This one is done, need to make another one. And then I just want to give him a quick sand. I'm just going straight to 180. Done with the orbital sander. Now I'm just going to hand sand with some fine steel wool. Just going to go over this once and then give it 2 coats of clear water-based varnish just to keep the wood as natural as possible, or at least to avoid yellowing. So I went ahead and I packed my shoes in the storage boxes. They're pretty awesome. I love the wheels on them. I hope you guys liked watching that video. I hope it was helpful. If you liked it, please leave a like. And if you want to see more, please consider subscribing. It means a lot. Thanks. See you in another one.